Hi, I'm Janelter Dimiaris from Prefectural B. Unfortunate Love, Romeo and Juliet. You cannot blame the gravity for falling in love. Albert Einstein. This is the story of true love's misery. The legendary story of Romeo and Juliet. There were two widely known, famous, and great business companies. Represents the name of each family. Montagues Empires and Capulet Real Estate, where both of the companies seemed to have a conflict with each other since the both parties had raised. One of the days come that all of the companies must attend the conference about the upcoming big event. Eventually, each of the delegates of both companies happened to run with each other. When the spokesperson of the conference knew what had happened, he immediately threatens them that they will not be able to join the big event. Thereafter, the president of the Capulet Real Estate decided to throw a party because he wished to introduce his daughter Juliet to his business partner named Paris, who desires to marry Juliet. The said party was held at Montague's son, Romeo and his friends, Benvolio and Mercutio, and decided to attend the party secretly because Romeo was looking to see his heiress Rosalie. The predicted plan didn't take place because while he was there, he met Juliet that captured his heart, and he immediately about the cousin of Juliet, saw Romeo and his friends, and he started to get angry. He forced them to leave the party, before Juliet's father would know, and before the party would begin, just as Romeo and Juliet had agreed to love each other. Because of what had happened at the party, the two of you see each other day by day. They started to fall in love with each other until they decided to confess their love for each other. Freya Lawrence helped them to plan on how to get into the same plan of their family. But it was too late because Juliet's father already knew what will going to happen. He immediately bring Juliet to their mansion and Romeo was eagerly waiting for Juliet for them to live out at the country. He suddenly knew that Juliet is being held by her father. Then he goes home to get Juliet. When Romeo finally gets home, he saw that their both families were already fighting, and because of Tybalt's anger, he accidentally shot Romeo. Juliet suddenly ran towards Romeo and she started to murmur and cry. She suddenly saw a gun and then she immediately pulled the trigger on her. Moral lesson is that never hold grudges nor hate to others before it is too late. Lower your pride for the common good. Think carefully before you act, and don't let your emotions roll over you.